आया है और आईएनपीटी ने अभी विजय बाबू सब लोग ने, क्योंकि आज 6 बजे हमारा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था विद आईपीएफटी. वी आर अ वेरी गुड प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस विद आईपीएफटी, जहां में वी हैव अग्रीड टू फॉर्ज एन अलायंस फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ Tipraland and Greater Tipraland. I am also very happy that Bijay Rankhol, Jagdish De Burma, the entire executive committee has come and met me. They have decided to support Greater Tipraland. They have come and said that they want to have an alliance with us on the issue of Greater Tipraland. They have agreed to that, apart from NRC and CAA. I welcome that. We will have a discussion. Since मैं अभी ऑलरेडी अलायंस में हूँ एनसी दे बर्मा से, आईपीएफटी से, मुझे उनसे भी बात करना पड़ेगा. मैंने आईएनपीटी को रिक्वेस्ट किया है मेरी तरफ से कि आप कंसिडर कीजिए कि हम एक ही पार्टी हो जाए थानचा के लिए. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है कि अगर विजय बाबू इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ माई पार्टी और जगदीश दे बर्मा इज द जनरल सेक्रेटरी, मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं. इट्स नॉट फॉर माई पर्सनल पोस्ट. आई हैव रिक्वेस्टेड देम कि अगर हम लोग सब एक ही पार्टी हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है. अगर वो नहीं हो सकता है तो मैं एनसी दे बर्मा से भी बात करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एक मीटिंग बिटवीन विजय रांखौल एंड एनसी दे बर्मा और मेरा हो जाए. लेकिन क्योंकि ये अभी आए हैं तो मुझे उनका जो प्रपोज़ल है थोड़ा स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद मैं एक प्रॉपर रिस्पॉन्स दे सकूंगा. थैंक यू.
We are very happy to be here, and we're also very much privileged to declare that INPT party had no problem. At a time of discussion also, we had shared our opinion about the Greater Tipraland. So we're quite unanimous in that very issue. So today, at this point of time, we are privileged to have our Bobagra with us and all of you here. And with due regard, INPT is declaring that we support Greater Tipraland unconditionally. This is what INPT's statement. Thank you so much. And of course, we have some other party demands, including inner line permit and Kokborok 8th schedule to be recognized by Government of India, and empowerment and land restoration, etc. This is the party line demands we have been doing for quite a long time. So that is quite separate. But for all of us, we need this issue of Tripura Greater Land. Tripura, that is, we call it Greater Tripura Land appropriately. So we hope that we all fight together and take attention, have attention of the central government. And we believe it will go beyond national issue also, because people have come to know about our deprivation, and people have come to know about our demands, and which is very much logistic, and we don't go outside the Constitution of India. And we believe Tripura people will be happier and happiest that we will be working together. And all together, we invite some other groups also if they are interested. And we have all respect, and we should have equal respect and mutual respect each other. And we are going to do all together. And it may be that some other issue also have to come, and we have to work together so that India will be aware. If they do not regard our demands, there will be stronger movement also. And we are not very interested, so that we have to go for movement. But before launching movement also, we hope the central government will respond to our issue. Thank you so much.
So, what is the now you are going to march, or you are going to alliance with Tripura? What is the understanding?
Well, that invitation is very interesting, but we are doing politics for the last 55 years. So that is another issue we have to discuss together. And we have no problem if we can stand together. We have no problem, but we have some system also, and we cannot just bury the system. So we have to respect our system also, but we will be able to overcome also. But at a time, if emotionally I will say, it is already done, then they may not be long-lasting also. We have some experience also. So we like to do very maturely so that it lasts long.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.